Today we are gonna upload video and I will show you how you can edit that video using just the transcript. We are gonna upload a file from our computer. The script will start working. The transcript is done. The first thing I want to do is to split this into 2 seats. All I have to do is either click on this little forward slash here or on my keyboard. And up to the left, you see, now we have 2 different seats. I say we are going to add B-roll, music, titles, and even change the background. All I have to do to cut it from my transcript and my timeline is hit backspace and it's gone. This is one of many tutorials, link in the comments.